Oriental. And the price range of the cottage here is 1,500, 3,500, and 5,000 per box. And the swimming pool is 150 per session, and life jacket is free to use. This is the I can see this. The view is good. The ambience is, and the sea water is not friendly. See how you can swim? This is like this waves. If you have a children, it's not good. It's not really good. You need to go to the swimming pool. And sand is it's like a limestone, sharp. See, you can see the stone here. See, not friendly. Only the ambience here is really good, nice. Wa ko'y wifi. Wala ko'y wifi man. Wa ko'y wifi.
Dili ba load ba? Dali imo
When it's so windy, you know. More foreigners, more foreigners here. This cottage is rented by foreigners.